Hi, it's Lily Amanda for Portrait Creatives. In this video, I'm going to show you how to whiten teeth. There are many different ways to do teeth whitening in Photoshop. First, I will always look at the image and to see is it really needed? If it's a portrait and we are going for natural look, I wouldn't make the teeth like paper white. Some people like it, but I think I would always go for the natural effect. Teeth has natural yellow tone in it, so bear in mind that sometimes we don't need to do this part of retouching. I'm going to share with you some images I downloaded from Pixabay, and you can see some of the photos. You might see this a little bit yellowish on the teeth, and that's totally natural. Okay, let me show you this image. You might think it's a little bit yellow, right? And I will compare to the eye white and also the other area of the white. Like this, I would do a little bit of whitening, but I would not go too much. Okay, and this one also I compare to the eye white. She can do a little bit whitening, but there's no need really. And this one also is very natural. You compare to the eye white, and the teeth is completely natural. We don't have to do teeth whitening unless you really want to. Okay, so and these ones we can do some because you see they're eye white and teeth. It could be eating something or tea or coffee or wine. These all make teeth have stains. And this one, you can also compare the eye white with the teeth, and it looks super natural. It's just how it is. I wouldn't want to make her teeth look like vampire white. Okay, so let me just go back to this one. Okay, so this is how I would do for teeth whitening. First, you will see if it's very yellow, which is not, she's not. If it's very yellow, that means tea, coffee stain, and also wine. And these colors make the teeth darker and also cast a color as well. And so there are two things we want to consider. We have to lighten it and also change the color of the teeth. Okay, and the first thing I would do is I'm going to add adjustment layer curve, and I'm going to the blue channel. Blue and yellow are opposite, so if I increase blue, it will reduce the yellow. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use this hand tool and just increase going upwards the blue. Okay, like that. So that is already look tons better, right? And I'm going to go back to the RGB channel and just going up a little bit, right? Just brighten up a little bit. Okay, and then invert the layer mask and Command I, and I just paint over it. Okay, I'm changing to white brush. Press X to change it to white brush, and then just go over it. Okay, I'm just doing it very quickly so you can see the result like that. And zoom out, and this is before, this is after. Okay, it's very white teeth, and if it's something you feel it's not natural at all, you can reduce the opacity here, like this, make it more natural. Perhaps here will be good. Okay, I'm going to show you another example, and this is good. I don't want to retouch. This is good. We can do a little bit teeth retouching here. Again, the yellow tone and maybe a little bit greenish tone from the photo itself. So I'm going to add a layer mask, adjustment layer curves. Again, I'm going to the blue channel. I am just going to add blue, so that will reduce yellow. Okay, let me just add blue right about here, and then I go to the RGB channel and just make it tiny bit brighter like that. And I'm going to invert, Command I on the layer mask, and then I'm going to zoom in to brighten it up like that. Just do it very quickly. There's some stain like that, like there's a little bit stain. That's not the color. That's the color we didn't manage to adjust it. Let me see before. Yes, there's something on the teeth. So then I will have to remove that with the clone stamp tool or healing brush tool. Okay, so also the bottom part, just a little bit here, here, and also here. Okay, so let me zoom out. And this is before, this is after. So that turns out better. And if you think it's not natural, if you think that's too white, and that's reduce the opacity. Okay, about here, right? So you can see before and after, like that. Simple and easy. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And if you find value from it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. It's Lydia Amanda here, and I'll see you in the next video.